Hello, my name is Edward David Jones, and this is my new invention. It's called a wastewater monitoring system by my company, The Aftermeal. I wrote about this product in my book called The Aftermeal. In the back of the book, I talk about this product as being the answer to a problem that we've had in dealing with liquid waste. This book was published in 2015, and I've been working on this product for a very long time. Let me give you an idea of what it actually does. It's got input ports. It's that blue port is a connection to the drain, and it's got cables going out to the lawn and up to the storage tank. This, for example, could be a tub, could be a shower, swimming pool, anywhere that there's wastewater, water that's considered to be gray water that you would want to recycle or reclaim. For example, if you were showering, we could put a sensor in the water to tell when the water is dirty or cloudy, so we can cycle that water or let that water go down the drain. This system, we have a float sensor in there to tell when there's water in there, and that will turn the machine on, causing the machine to recycle this water, take it into this machine, process it, clean it, chlorinate it, and kick it out to a holding tank. And as soon as the machine knows that there's water coming in, it's going. We'll start processing the water, chlorinate it, filter it, kick it into the storage room. We don't want it to stay on too long because it is quite noisy. We also have, this is a rain barrel, 55-gallon rain barrel where we collect rainwater. It's connected to switches as well, and we can suck that water into the same system, chlorinate it, filter it, and pump it out to the holding tank for later uses. This is a sample of that system. This is the switch that controls it. Okay, this is the waste management and reclamation section of the machine. Just take the covers off. We've already saved a little ice in it, and this is the waste management cover. So we've got ice in it. This is the secondary chamber. This is the primary chamber where we deposit ice that we want to separate and melt and reclaim. And the machine has water in it. Water level sensors have to be tripped so that the machine will come on. We're going to see if we can trip it. Add a little water to it. See if we can make it come on. So it came on. For the first 30 seconds, it cleans itself out in this section. And then for the next 60 seconds, it'll melt the ice. So it'll go about processing the water, turning it around inside of the system for a minute, chlorinating, filtering the water, and melting the ice. We are converting wastewater into a usable resource. With that water in 1 minute, it's going to get pumped into this holding tank. Ice is still melting. ice just went off. That means the water has been processed, cleaned, and pumped out into the storage unit. We're going to filter it again and more than likely use this water for a toilet or a lawn application. It'll take about 3 to 4 more minutes for the system to totally empty out about 30 gallons of water that should be accumulated in there. Most of the ice is melted. You can adjust that timer to run for about a minute and a half. A minute and a half will have melted 10 pounds of ice. So melting ice is no problem for the machine. This is wastewater that would have been going into a garbage bag somewhere or down a sewer. This is a reclamation system. It can reclaim enough water to fill a 1,000-gallon tank. This can turn a regular restaurant into a reclaimed water depot where a customer can actually sell reclaimed water back to growers and back to the city to subsidize their income in a drought situation. This machine actually can reduce total waste output and increase water use by not using fresh water for toilet and lawn applications. At the same time, while it's processing that water, if more water went into this rain barrel, this tub, it will process this water at the same time as it's processing that water. And as you can see, the water's been reclaimed, filtered out, and is being pumped up and out, waiting for the next batch of water to enter the system. The system is monitoring external devices and internal devices. Wastewater monitoring system. On wheels, so it can be positioned anywhere in a store or building, as well as outside. Eight minutes 45 seconds. Wastewater monitoring system. Cups are stacked. Straws are stacked in a separate container. Knives and forks, condiments. The after meal.